Hi you guys, welcome to my Curious Crafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we're going to be making bows. Why? Because it's Bow Wednesday. Let's get started. Okay you guys, we're using Dollar Tree ribbon today. That's something that I know that you guys can grab easily. Any Dollar Tree ribbon of your choice is just going to be $1.08. That's including your tax. So pause the video and go grab your ribbon. Let's do this together. Alrighty? Okay. So we're going to be making a bow that has 4 loops, a center loop, and 12-inch tails. Okay, let's take it slow with me guiding you. Measure out to 6. Bring it back through the center dowels. Twist. Measure out to 6 on the other side. Bring it back through the center loops. This time you don't twist because we have 4 loops. Okay, we want to make sure that we clean up our ends, and I'm not going to dovetail, I'm going to knife cut. Okay, because I want to utilize the entire roll of ribbon and I don't have much left, I'm going to add a center loop, and a center loop also gives your bow depth, so let's get that done. I'm going to measure out how much ribbon I have left, and then I'm going to decide how big of a center loop I want. Here I make this center loop a little bit bigger. I change it to 2 inches because 2 inches just looks better. You'll see. Just keep watching. Okay, you guys, you always want to fluff your bow in your hand to make sure that it looks the way that you want, and you want to secure your bow with a zip tie. Some people use Chanel stems or pipe cleaners, whichever way that you prefer to call the. But my point is, you want to make sure that you secure your bow with a zip tie because it's going to be more secure that way. The pipe cleaner can break if you twist it too much. The zip tie is not going to break. You're not going to twist it like that. It's not going to happen. Trust me, okay? Also, I want to make sure that you guys know that we're starting up this series once again. I didn't realize that you guys enjoyed it so much, so we'll be making bows on every Wednesday. And if that's something you enjoy, then keep coming back, okay? Thank you so much. Let's continue here. Okay, you guys, I want to thank you so much for stopping by and joining me today. If the video was helpful, please give it a like, leave me a comment, share with your friends, and also subscribe to the channel. I have so much more to show you guys. We do tablescapes over here, we do wreaths over here, we do a lot of creative things over here on My Curious Crafts, and I would love to have you become a part of the family. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Be blessed.